Oh, hi! There you are. Today we will make a Google Chrome icon in MS Paint. So let's start. I will select this circle and make this circle. And now I will make a small circle from this one and paste it in the middle of this big circle. I will just select the size, and this is the one. Now I will make the lines. I'll choose the line option. Do like this. And then from this to here. And then from here to here. And this is the Chrome icon drawn. Now we will fill it. You can also use the brushes option. There's many brushes option you can use for filling it or coloring it. I will use this fill option, but you can, if you want, you can also use the fill option. It's very easy. And now here's red, and then here is green, and here is the yellow. And here in the middle, I will fill it with light blue. It's looking like a Chrome icon. I have given this Google Chrome label. If you want, you don't put also. But I liked it, so that's why I have put in. So make it and have fun.